So what I'm doing is I'm looking at every plane of the house. And I'm also looking at those vents that we saw. The ones with the roof leaks. And there's the ridge vent there. So for example, I can inspect the ridge vent from the ground. I'm just a few feet away. And I can see the vents coming through the roof. I can see the porch roof. I can get a better view from above as I pan my camera down. And I'm taking a 4K video of everything as well. And it all looks really good. And we don't see any of the problems really. So what I'll do is I'll give my client this video. But first, what I'm actually going to do is take it back to my office. Because right now, I'm just looking through my little mobile camera to look for defects. But since I have 4K, I can take this back and actually do like a little research project on it and take my time to make my opinions. So I'm gonna go on the other side of this roof. And I can see if the gutter needs to be cleaned or not, which is really cool. So as an example, I'm just going to fly across to the corner here. I'm only a couple feet away from the gutter. I can look down the gutter end. I can fly even to a lower roof. Get a good close-up shot of the lower roof as well. And fly right across. Do a little turn. Come on back home. And that's valuable information that I provided to my client within a few minutes without leaving the safety of the ground.